Our keynote speaker, Mrs. Udo Okonjo, founder, Fine and Country. Our distinguished guest speakers, all Flourish Africa participants. Karina Hale, an American screenwriter, journalist, and best-selling author, once said, and I quote, "Sometimes life throws us a curveball. It doesn't go the way we planned. All that matters is how we handle it and the person we become on the other side." I welcome you all to our 4th annual Flourish Africa Conference, themed Outsmart 2020. This conference is holding virtually due to the restrictions on gatherings by the government due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, irrespective of whether we are meeting virtually or physically, I know that we're going to have a great time hearing from our seasoned speakers as well as the testimonials that will be shared in the course of today's program. The year 2020 came with a lot of curveballs that disrupted the plans that individuals, corporate organizations, business persons, and even governments had made. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, many people have become unemployed. Businesses and even some countries' economies are experiencing depression. While some are throwing up their arms in the air and giving up on the year, others have been able to rise above their negative circumstances through innovative ideas and products and made progress and profits in the same environment. I'll share 2 examples of those who have outsmarted their situation even during this period. The first is the story of one Mr. Bangboshe Adams, the founder of Above Ground Artistry, a furniture maker in Lagos, who began turning out old metal drums into custom hand washing basins to help prevent the COVID-19 pandemic. This gentleman has made such a feat as his story was published both locally and internationally. For example, the Reuters magazine in March 2020 published his story, and Forbes Africa magazine in June 2020 did the same. He also spoke at the Union Bank Nigeria organized TEDx Lagos session in June 2020, being one of the winners of the Union Rise Challenge organized by the same bank. The second is TransGreen Nigeria Limited, the makers of O-Care Medical Face Mask, Nigeria's first face mask factory in Lagos, with a daily production of 240,000 capacity according to the World Health Organization WHO standard. As a result of this, they ensured that medical face masks that were becoming scarce and very expensive were made available and accessible to all Nigerians. Now, they are even about to begin exporting to other continents. I have given these 2 examples to encourage us that we too can outsmart our current realities and make something out of it. Today, we have 4 seasoned professionals who will be sharing with us ways in which we can innovate ourselves, our careers, and business amid the new norm predicated by the coronavirus pandemic. They are in the persons of Mrs. Udo Okonjo, an international lawyer and astute real estate entrepreneur. She's currently the Chief Executive Officer, Vice Chairman of Fine and Country, West Africa. Mrs. Ivie Temitayo Ibitoye is the founder of Work in Nigeria, a talent recruitment and outsourcing agency established with the mission to consistently provide micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and corporate organizations with resourcing and advisory services. And then there's Dr. Glory Edozian. She's the founder of Inspired by Glory Academy, where she teaches career women how to become visible in the workplace so they can get the recognition they deserve, earn more money, and climb the corporate ladder. There's Miss Naomi Osemudia. She is a mindset and visibility coach and is also the founder of the Sparkle Effect. Before they start, let me share with you some information about Flourish Africa. The Flourish Africa project was born out of the desire to create a global community of like-minded individuals that encourages and helps women to thrive in all aspects of their lives. We believe that by sharing experiences, ideas, thoughts, and information, we would build a group of formidable women who not only want to make a difference, but want to be the difference in their sphere of influence by doing things differently. We hold an annual Flourish Africa conference, and this is our 4th edition. We also created an online platform to assist our women in the areas of business and career, love and relationships, spiritual and inspirational guidance, health and wellness, and the environment. All these can be accessed on our website, www.flourishafrica.com. I encourage you to listen attentively to all that will be said today, because I know you will get nuggets of information that can take you from where you are now to where you want to be. Once again, I welcome you to Flourish Africa Conference 2020. We will flourish.